koimoi.com.
Hello and welcome to Koimoi. This is Shubham Kulkarni and we are in conversation with the stalwarts of Mirzapur today. So I was going through those trivias on Amazon Prime, and I came across how you guys have improvised your roles. Like, for example, Ali did with his where people are chanting Guddu Pandit and he says Bablu Pandit. Or for you, Divyendu, picking up the Joker card. So tell me at what point, episode or scene was it that you were so much into the character that you were improvising like them?
I think there cannot be a moment you have to be. I always say improvisation doesn't mean jumlebazi. It's not
Yes.
about who says the last line or who says the funniest line. Also, improvisation cannot be the main ingredient of a scene. It only has
Yes.
to be the topping of it, and very, uh, very carefully used. So that you doesn't take away the real taste of the dish. So improvisation is it's not to be taken lightly, because it's only when you are in the character that you can improvise according to the character and not as Shweta or Anjum or Divyendu. वरना सारे एक्टर्स की इम्प्रोव सेम हो जाएंगे. So it's very important. It should be used very cautiously.
For you, Anjum?
या मेरा हमेशा ये मानना है शुभम, इम्प्रोवाइजेशन जैसे कि देवेंदु ने भी कहा, इम्प्रोवाइजेशन मेरे हिसाब से ना बहुत जिम्मेदारी का काम होता है.
हाँ.
इम्प्रोवाइजेशन वो नहीं है कि अगर आप फट्टे अच्छे मार सकते हैं और आप बढ़िया मजाक कर सकते हैं तो आपने कर दी, उसका फ्लेवर आ गया. इम्प्रोवाइजेशन एक वो चीज है कि आप ये समझ रहे हैं कि आप अपना किरदार और स्क्रिप्ट यू नो इट रियली वेल, you have understood it really well, you have got it really well, and now you have something individually to add on to it. So it's a quite a very responsible thing to do. So yeah, there are certain things which, and I मतलब मेरे लिए जैसे मिर्जापुर में ऐसा हुआ कि एक आध चीजें whatever I had to improvise, I kind of the addition which I could do, I did it while before the shoot, because I was reading it, I was going through it again and again. So there were certain things which I thought and I discussed with Puneet, and he, I mean, I'm so thankful that he, being such a great writer, he thought कि yeah, little value additions can be done. So a little bit of improvisations happened then while I before the कि यहाँ ये चीजें हो सकती हैं. उसके अलावा एक आध चीज और कहीं कहीं हुई है किसी एक आध सीन में, but I personally don't really go for improvisations as much. Like I have make this as a rule all through my life since I've been working that पहले मैं लिखा हुआ टेक्स्ट है वो पहुंचा लेता हूँ ठीक से, उसके बाद अगर मुझे लगेगा कि बहुत ही ज्यादा जरूरी है तो मैं ये चीज पे जाऊंगा, वरना आई डोंट रियली लाइक पर्सनली एडिंग थिंग्स.
Wow. For you, Shweta?
There is a lot of referencing I was doing. And
Yes.
अपने आप मतलब ऐसा नहीं था कि कुछ ये आपसे कोई बोलता है, वो अलग अलग कैरेक्टर्स के साथ कई बार मतलब I have never done this kind of image referencing for any character besides Golu. But one thing that I was really drawn towards was the image of David and Goliath. क्योंकि वो चाहे वो डेविड कितना छोटा क्यों ना हो, लेकिन वो जो जब एक there's this big size and उतने ही confidence में David is there. In fact, I have that image. I'll share it with you. So that is what I thought when it came to Guddu and Golu. That ये बड़ा हल्क जैसा इंसान, and in fact वो meme भी है ना जैसे वो Tom and Jerry का, which I'm pretty sure you must have seen. So that
Yes.
I think is so apt. Also, I always wanted to be Jerry when बचपन से I used to watch Tom and Jerry. So I think वो universe में जो डालो वो सच हो जाता है. But besides that, I also get very fascinated by improv done by other actors. जैसे for example आपने जो गुड्डू का बोला, so I was in that scene and when I heard him do that, I was like, wow, ये thought कैसे आया? And even when I was talking to Devendu, मैंने वही पूछा कि ये जो हम सबका एक फेवरेट बन चुका है, वो कई चीजें ना पता होती हैं कि स्क्रिप्ट तो हमारे राइटर बहुत बढ़िया हैं ही, so even our director, and they keep adding a lot of layers and moments to our performances and they definitely better it, but I wanted to find out कि वो कैसे हुआ, and then I got to know कि वो improv था. In fact, one thing that I really liked, which I in fact told Guru about, is कि जब वो चाचा और का रिवेंज हो रहा है, तो जिस तरह से मुन्ना कहता है कि अच्छा वो बात कर रहे हैं, वो गाली पे गाली दिए जा रहे हैं, एंड जैसे ही माँ की बात होती है, नाना की बात होती है, you can see the flip in Munna. You can see that
Yes.
कुछ एकदम से वो हुआ and he shoots him. And that I thought was so fascinating. So as an actor, I feel I'm always very curious कि आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था तब, and I keep learning a lot. जैसे ये वाला जो है ललित वाला. So I asked him that what was going on in your mind, because I think there is so much to learn from all these people that who you love as human beings but also as actors. And वहां से मुझे वही रियलाइज हुआ कि आप किसी को चिढ़ा रहे हो, तो आप किसी को चिढ़ा रहे हो कुछ बोल के, फिर आपने एक उसमें एक्शन भी डाल दिया है क्योंकि उसका कान कटा हुआ था. So it's I love knowing such things because कहीं ना कहीं I think they will make me a better performer as well.
2 करोड़ का सवाल है, ऑलरेडी 2 करोड़ लोग पूछ चुके हैं, मिर्जापुर 3 आ रहा है कि नहीं?
मैं लाइफलाइन यूज करना चाहूंगा और
फोन अ फ्रेंड.
मैं लाइफलाइन यूज करना चाहूंगा और अपने दोस्त जेफ बेसोस को कॉल लगाना चाहूंगा. But yeah, no, but I tell you the other day, he called me just randomly. He always does. जेफ की आदत है, हमेशा कुछ भी ऐसा होता है तो he calls me and he was like, यार बहुत सही चल रहा है, तुझे क्या लगता है? I was like, definitely होना चाहिए. So he was also very this thing. I was also होना चाहिए. So yeah, I think there should be. Jeff is quite kicked about it. So.
Okay, thank you so much, guys.
koimoi.com